Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. I want to say congratulations to everyone that won yesterday. And then we have these five odds for you today. And the first game we have here is a game in Lithuania where FA Salulai taking on Kuno Zagris, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in India where BSS Sporting taking on Pata Chakra, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Next one we have is a game in the Russia Division 2 where Rodina is taking on Saturn, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. I always say follow this channel and also like the video so that YouTube and Facebook will recommend this video to you. And if you have not followed, kindly join us and follow this channel and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be getting sure predictions on daily basis. And then we have the next one here in Latvia where FS Jagava is taking on FK Meta. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in the Malaysia League where Kalantan is taking on Salengo, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. If you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section and chat me up on WhatsApp. Our subscription fee is affordable for everyone to participate. Okay, moving on, we have the last game on this ticket in Malaysia, and the game is between Nigeria Sambilan taking on Kuala Lumpur under 23, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. That is all we have for today. So bet responsibly, and I will see you guys at the end of the game. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet, and if you're not using Sportybet, kindly go ahead and select this game in your own local bookie and play them. I will see you guys later. Thank you for staying tuned, and don't forget to like and share this video.